G'day guys, welcome to the channel. Okay, so here's my XJ Jeep, finally on the road, and looking pretty smick, I reckon. She's nice and clean, rust-free car. Purchased this about 5 months ago. It was in a barn, was in a shed, not being used. The guy bought a Pajero and decided to sell this one, and I came along and yeah, saw the potential in this. It was very dirty and you know, obviously neglected. So since then, what have we done? We've actually put a set of 235 75 15 what they call conformer, something like that. These are mud terrain tyres, and they are slightly larger than the actual tyres that come with this vehicle. So the vehicle actually came with what they call a 225 75 15. Came with a snorkel. It does have a 2-inch lift via the pucks, or the little spaces you see here, and the actual shock absorbers. I'm not too sure what they are. They're no name, I don't know. They have been sprayed. I actually took them off, cleaned them up and sprayed them again. They are in really good condition. So what have we done? We've actually put brand new calipers on, brand new brakes on, as I said, brand new tyres. The alloys have been painted. All the underbody was cleaned and painted. We have brand new tie rod ends. The actual bull bar was cut down from the old loop to this system. This is going to be, this is my first bull bar. I'm going to get a winch bull bar put onto it, so we get a full winch on this system, on this car, because, you know, it is a toy car, and that's what it's all about. It's not my daily. I will take it to work probably once every now and then. As you can see, we've installed the bonnet vents, so hopefully they'll help in the heating. XJs are notorious for overheating. This particular one, no, she don't overheat. She runs really good. I'm really happy with it. It's actually got a brand new clutch fan. The actual override switch, which I put in onto the air conditioning side, which is the electric fan on this side, comes on manually, and also comes on, yeah, it pretty much comes on manually, so I've just got to remember to put it on when I put the air conditioning on. The body was cleaned right out, full detail, full cut and polish. It does not have the, did not come with the roof racks, but I'll be putting a set of roof racks on. The interior of this car is in really, really good condition. Just close that there. So idling nicely, and you can see the temp there. Pretty good. And as I said, the interior is in really good condition. There's actually no sun damage whatsoever on this vehicle. Comes with the rear headrests. And around the back here, as you can see, she's pretty clean. Underneath, again, we took all the shockers out, did all the oils, dropped all the diff oils, everything, sump the whole lot, and did a full service on the vehicle. And yeah, bought an air cleaner and made sure everything was honky-dory, and changed the spark plugs. Actually, I didn't change the spark plugs. I took them out, checked them, and they were in really good condition. So yeah, so this is the rear at the moment. This is just how I've got it. It's a bit of a mess, but under here you can see the tread boards, recovery gear. There's a high volume air compressor sitting in there, you know, just bits and pieces, little fridge. I actually haven't done any wiring in here, so I want to do the wiring so we can run the fridge in here. So yeah, so that's the rear of the vehicle. So that's pretty much it, guys. You know, it's not over the top, not at the moment. Future plans, as I said, full winch bar coming on the front, rock sliders, which I'll be making and welding up into here. So I've actually had, this is my 4th XJ Jeep, so I'm very familiar with the design, the unibody, and how everything works. Engine, transmission, front, rear diffs, you name it. Yep, I am pretty much an expert on this thing. Well, you know, hobby. So that's the Jeep, finally on the road. Now, what are we going to do? Yeah, we're going to hit some tracks, eh? hit some tracks, hit the beach, and just see how this thing goes. So there we go. 1996 XJ Jeep Classic. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.